So guys, welcome again in yet another interesting video on machine learning for beginners. Now this video will address top 10, I would say more than 10 advices for beginners. And these are the advices which I really figured out, which I could have got in the beginning, but I was deprived of it. So number one, if you are really beginning the data science machine learning journey, especially machine learning journey, then what are the few things that you should really remember? Number one, do not mug up everything. Do not try to learn everything. First of all, please don't do that. Don't do that, please. The second thing is, okay, goal setting. Goal setting and setting your deadline. So this is really very important. And the next follow-up points would be joining the dots. You can join the dots when I tell you the next points why goal setting is really important. So the second point important is goal setting and of course a deadline that you would complete, suppose classification algorithms within a week, all the classification algorithms. Now coming to the third point, and that is practice and theory to be combined together. Okay, don't just do this disaster of reading all the practice, reading all the theory and not doing the practice, and vice versa. So this is very important. You club the two. You make a project, for example, and after that, just go back to the theory and understand the concepts. What does each of the line of code is saying? Okay, this is how I learned. And this is also known joining the dots. Now, what happens with this? What happens with this? You apply various things and then you learn. It's not like spoon feeding, but it is more of practical based learning. So the next advice I would give you, the fourth, is that write a few algorithms from scratch. That means, suppose you have set a target of doing classification algorithm, completing them within a week. So take one algorithm in a day and write that the functioning, the algorithm coding behind that. And start with just one algorithm a day. Okay, take it easy. Okay, now the next advice is, please don't fall into the trap of maths, quote unquote. It is very difficult because of the formulas, because of the algebra, because of the metrics, vectors, and everything, calculus that is going inside it, the statistics. This is not here to frighten you, but this is here to make your life easy. Okay. Why I'm saying this is that maths is really very simple once you understand the concepts. Okay, maths is fun because it is logical. Okay, it is. So don't get frightened with maths, with the concepts, but try to, sink it. And this comes now. Here I'm coming to the next advice is that give yourself some time. Okay, important when you really learning and when you're a new seeker, it at times you become disheartened, and the entire question is, why am I doing this? What is it? You feel astrayed, it's like, what am I doing? Why am I actually into this? That's a certain question which I do faced, but give yourself some time and things would really fall into place. Okay. And the another advantage of giving yourself the time and that crucial break, in between your studies, is it will help you to figure out your next interest. So I'm coming to my next advice, and that is build n number of projects, okay, from different domains. This will help you to select your subdomain field. I mean, data science is vast. It is machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and you can go into, NLP and various fields. So which field interests you will only be determined by you. And my another advice and another tip is, guys, machine learning is not artificial intelligence, okay? Artificial intelligence is vast. Machine learning is a small part of data science, okay? So we are just building the foundation with ML. I think when I was a beginner, I built a project, and from nowhere these ensemble algorithms came. From nowhere these optimization was happening. And right now classifying something, and after that suddenly there was a pipeline, and after that suddenly there was some ensemble, and then there was some prediction again, What am I doing? Right? So these are the questions which beginners face, because when you see the code, it's a hell lot of lines, and I don't know what really happened, So take it easy, okay? Set your goal, set a deadline, go with it smoothly, give yourself time. So just be patient, be loving, be a little kind with yourself also, okay? And last but not the least, reading literature really will help you to stay updated, brush up your concepts, and also add to your knowledge. I think this is it, and this was a very important advice from my side. That give yourself some time, be patient, and theory practice. That is the only thing. Keep doing, don't give up. Okay. I will be coming up with one requested video on machine learning books for beginners. So I have made a list of few books which I went through, and they are really very easy to follow, and they will help you to build the basic machine learning stuff. Machine learning books is the next video in line. So guys, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.